Gentlemen, welcome back. This video is brought to you guys by Kyvol, and we're taking a look at their Vigo Air HD3 Humidifier. This thing can hold up to 4.5 liters of very, very awesome water that, of course, you need to run a humidifier, and get this, it only runs at around 26 decibels, which means it's perfect for nighttime. I think my favorite thing about this is that you can actually go ahead and have 75 hours of runtime with this. You know, with typical humidifiers, you kind of have to fix it every single other day, sometimes every, day, sometimes every week. You gotta go mess with it, clean it, this and that. It's just so much work. This thing is BPA free, it shuts off by itself, and it has a 360 nozzle. It's perfect for, you know, any room that's virtually out there. You don't have to refill it too often, and on top of that, it's nice and quiet, so you're pretty much good. Now, one of the big questions a lot of people with these might have is, you know, there's coronavirus going on, this and that, you know, you're trying to keep your kids safe, your babies safe. Is this okay for babies? Yes, it is. You're perfectly good to go. And it's as good as it can possibly be in terms of safety for your kid. Obviously, you know, don't leave it on the freaking floor. You can, but to be honest, if you do have like a toddler running around, you know, tripping and all that, so I would put it on a table. Be reasonable, and you should be good to go. So this thing can, you know, it can hold 1.18 gallons of water, and it can cover up to 430 square feet, which is really, really awesome. Makes it perfect for, you know, your downstairs, your bedroom, your office. It's just really, really cool. The other cool thing about this is how easy it is to clean this thing. All you have to do is add, you know, either sliced lemon or a tablespoon or a teaspoon of white vinegar, then you shake it around for a little bit, and just like that, you're pretty much good to go. How cool is that? I think my favorite thing about this is, of course, the automatic shutdown. So, of course, it will go ahead and turn itself off as it needs. All in all, though, I think it's really awesome. The sponge filter itself is completely dust-proof. It improves your air quality. It can also alleviate any stuffiness. You know, the main reason that people do turn on their humidifier, you know, once every few months is because, you know, they're feeling a little stuffed up. It's winter's coming, flu season, all that nonsense. So, you know, that might be one of the big reasons that you might choose to get this. It can also enhance your sleep. It can make your, you know, one of the things of keeping one of these going at night is you're not going to wake up with cracked lips, cracked, you know, skin, because the whole room is going to be kind of, you know, a little moisturized versus, you know, when it's nice and dry in the cold of winter. So especially if you have a cold house or you keep your house nice and cold at night, this might be the way to go. Lastly, just all in all, rejuvenate your day. You wake up to, you know, nice, warm, like cozy air. It's like fresh out of the shower. So this is probably a really, really interesting thing to try out. If you don't end up keeping it, whatever. Inside of this thing, we do have some ceramic filter balls. They are replaceable. So of course, this is what eliminates all the bad smells in your house and makes life very, very easy. All in all, guys, go ahead and check this out in the link below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, so leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me logging off.